Number 1. 1996 Ford F150, price $7,500. It is powered by a durable 4.9L inline-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 159,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in solid running condition, especially for its age. The truck features a bright red exterior and a gray interior, showing signs of normal wear such as cracks on the dashboard and a small crack in the windshield. There are a few minor rust spots, but nothing unusual for a truck of this vintage. Equipped with dual gas tanks and a long bed, this F-150 offers excellent hauling capacity, making it ideal for work or utility purposes. It also includes a toolbox mounted in the bed, adding to its practicality. Despite its age, there are no check engine lights, and the vehicle continues to perform reliably. Functional pickup. Number 2. 1966 Ford F100, price $9,500. This is a classic shop truck that blends vintage charm with tasteful upgrades. It has only 54,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. Finished in a striking green exterior with a gray interior, the truck is powered by a strong-running 302 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the column. A mild cam, Edelbrock carburetor, and long tube headers add both performance and sound to this cool old-school build. One of the standout features is the Crown Victoria front subframe, which provides modern power steering and a coil-over-style suspension for improved handling and ride comfort. The rear end has been properly notched and equipped with springs and shocks to maintain a smooth stance and ride. All the gauges are fully functional and read accurately, making it not only a head-turner but also a reliable and well-executed build. This truck runs, drives, and shifts great, a perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and upgraded drivability. Number 3. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This Silverado is a remarkably well-preserved truck with only 107,000 miles on the odometer, showcasing its low usage over the years. It features a smooth automatic transmission and a sleek silver exterior that maintains its classic appeal. The vehicle rides on brand new tires and benefits from recently updated brakes, ensuring a safe and comfortable driving experience. Inside, the truck boasts a clean and attractive red interior that adds a touch of vintage character. The air conditioning system is also new, providing reliable comfort during warmer drives. Overall, this Silverado is a great example of a low-mileage, well-maintained classic pickup. Number 4. 1993 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,000. It's powered by a 454 V8 engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance. The truck features SMOD legal headers and a TBI spacer, enhancing airflow and efficiency. Visually, it sports a lowered stance thanks to a Beltec 5.7 drop, utilizing spindles and springs up front and a flip kit with a C-notch in the rear. It rides on real polished 16-inch Alcoa wheels that complement its aggressive look. The exterior is finished in black with a custom 1997-style grille, headlights, and front valance, along with a smooth front bumper, roll pan, and smoked cab and tail lights. Though the body shows signs of wear, including dents, dings, scratches, clear coat issues, and a cracked windshield, it is completely rust and rot-free. The interior is gray and generally in decent condition, with all power options functioning. Newer style power tow mirrors have been installed, and it includes a hideaway tow hitch behind the license plate, a trailer plug, and a brake controller, making it ready for towing needs. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000. This is a solid and dependable truck, equipped with a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It has a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. While the odometer has stopped working, the vehicle is believed to have less than 100,000 miles, with the current reading previously recorded at 90,000 miles. The truck runs and drives well, with the heat functioning perfectly. The air conditioning system is intact but needs to be recharged. It rides on tires that still have approximately 90% of their tread life remaining, ensuring excellent grip and performance. Running on gasoline, this Chevrolet 2500 also comes with a 7.5-foot angle snowplow, making it ideal for winter use or light-duty plowing needs. Number 6. 1996 GMC 1500, price $9,000. It has 172,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a green exterior, and a gray interior. It's powered by a 350 V8 with long tube headers, a KN intake, and a true dual exhaust setup with 2 SLP mufflers, giving it a strong performance and deep sound. The interior is in excellent shape for its age and features a Trailmaster wooden conversion, LED bulbs, and a pop-up single DAN Pioneer head unit. Custom billet touches have been added, including the steering wheel, door sills, grab handle, dash saver, and knobs. The dashboard is cracked, and the exterior could use a new paint job. The truck has a rebuilt title but remains a clean, nicely modified example. Number 7. 1991 GMC Sierra 2500, price $4,500, with 283,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and still runs and drives well, handling towing duties with ease. The exterior is finished in blue, complemented by a matching blue interior. Inside, the truck is equipped with bucket seats and a center console, offering added comfort and practicality. It also retains its factory radio, which is fully functional, along with working power windows and a reliable defrost and heating system. This Sierra comes with new Firestone mud tires that enhance its off-road capability, as well as a new true dual exhaust system fitted with Flowmaster mufflers, giving it a deep and aggressive sound. The LED headlights provide improved visibility at night. While the truck is in good shape overall, there is a noticeable dent on the rear passenger side quarter panel. Number 8. 1983 Ford F100, price $5,500. This truck is a mostly original example, retaining much of its factory charm with only a few tasteful updates. It features a reliable and smooth-running inline six-cylinder engine with just 12,313 miles on the odometer, making it a strong candidate for both daily driving and classic truck enthusiasts. While the paint has been redone, the rest of the vehicle remains largely untouched from its original condition. A functional toolbox has been added for convenience, and the radio has been upgraded to provide a more modern audio experience. Overall, this F100 runs great and showcases the timeless durability and simplicity of early 80s Ford trucks. Number 9. 1969 GMC C25, price $7,500, powered by a 250 cubic inch inline 6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that includes a granny low gear ideal for hauling and low-speed torque. With 180,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has proven its reliability over the years. It runs on gasoline and features a brown exterior with a blue interior, giving it a classic utilitarian look. While the truck does not come equipped with power steering or power brakes, it remains a dependable daily driver. There is a slight knock in the lower end, likely in cylinder 5 or 6, which started after a road trip in November. However, it hasn't affected drivability and has remained consistent without causing mechanical issues. Aside from producing a bit of extra noise, the current owner includes all spare parts and fluids with the sale, along with the original key and a spare. A custom rear bumper has been installed, allowing the tailgate to drop flush with the truck bed, making loading and unloading cargo significantly easier. Number 10. 1961 Ford F100, price $6,500. It's powered by its original inline 6 engine and paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, giving it that authentic vintage driving experience. The truck features a blue exterior and a black interior, both of which contribute to its timeless appeal. About 5 years ago, it received a garage paint job that still holds up well for casual driving and local shows. Mechanically, it's in good condition with good brakes, new fuel lines, a new fuel pump, and fresh rear tires. Running on gasoline, this F100 is a cool and dependable classic with a clean title in hand, perfect for anyone looking to enjoy an old-school ride with real charm.